Sorry for all the background noise. It is the weekend and leaf blowers on the loose. So I thought I'd just make a quick video to say hi and let you know why I haven't been making videos lately. Well, it's because I just got a hip replaced and graduated from a walker to a cane. It's been 3 weeks now since the surgery and doing pretty good. Hopefully going to be back on the bike within another 3 weeks and doing some riding and doing some more maintenance and videos and the such. I might try to do a little video, little vlogging while riding. I haven't done that yet, and so many people do it, so I don't want to be just another person doing it. But right now, the wildflowers in Southern California are what they're calling a super bloom. It's ridiculous. There's mountainsides just completely covered with orange and yellow poppies and wildflowers. It's pretty spectacular, so it's worth getting out and taking a look. So if I can capture some of that and share it with you, I will. As you can see, I did have the bikes on a trickle charge, a battery tender. It's one of the few times I've ever done it because it's one of the few times the bike's ever sat more than a week without riding. Typically, I ride every day to work and then weekend riding, so each bike gets at least 3 days a week of riding. And now it's been, wow, probably 2 months since I've ridden, maybe more, 2.5 months, 10 weeks. So I'm very anxious to get back on the bike. It's probably going to be another 3 weeks before I can get back on the bike. So I'm just keeping the batteries fresh with the trickle charge. I start them up once in a while just to get the fluids running in them, let them know I still love them, and just to hear the sound, which I miss. So pretty soon we'll be back on and doing it, doing some riding. As well as some additional maintenance that I'm due for, including a fork oil change. I need to get a special pin lift for the front end to get the front end up off the ground without holding it up by the forks of the axle. So there's a special lift for that, and I'll show you that when that comes in. So in the meantime, thank you all for those who've for the support while I've been out recovering, and the well wishes and whatnot. That I do really appreciate it, and I hope to be back riding and making videos and getting in all kinds of trouble as usual really shortly. So it's just a quick hi, and hope to see you soon. So remember, ride safe, keep wrenching. Cheers.